So friends, welcome to English lesson 3, slide number 2. Friends, earlier we have taken holiday for 2 days and now we are continuing our session with English lesson 3 and it based on kinds of article. Exercise earlier we have studied about article a and an. So exercise based on indefinite article a and an studied earlier session. Correct the following sentences. Here are 1 to 10 sentences where we have to correct these sentences as per the article a or an applicable in these sentences. The answers are given below for your ready reference. Sentence number 1, she has beautiful toy. Sentence number 2, I take egg every morning with breakfast. Sentence number 3, I saw large a lion in the zoo. Sentence number 4, elephant has long trunk. Elephant. Sentence number 5, hungry lion would attack. Sentence number 6, duck swims on water. Sentence number 7, eagle is a bird of prey. Sentence number 8, my father is doctor. Sentence number 9, his brother is a MP. Sentence number 10, he has become great a man. So these sentences are faulty one and we have to correct these sentences applying a or an article in these sentences. For your ready reference, we have given the answers below. So kindly do this exercise on your own and check it with these answers given below. So now we move to our next slide, slide number 3. Now friends, coming to English lesson 3, slide 3, the exercise earlier we discussed and studied, the same exercise is being continued here. Here, further sentence number 11 to 18 are given where these sentences are not correct one and you have to correct it applying articles a or an as per the meaning and rules we studied in earlier sessions. Answers are given below for your ready reference. Sentence number 11, he is an very industrious student. Sentence number 12, Shakespeare is renowned dramatist. Sentence number 13, this is a ancient monument. Sentence number 14, he lives in old ancestral house. Sentence number 15, my teacher is a poet and novelist. Sentence number 16, a poet and novelist write differently. Sentence number 17, he is honest and dependable man. Sentence number 18, there can be no friendship between a clever and a selfish man. Answers are given below for your ready reference. Please do this exercise, friends, on your own and try to solve it. For your ready reference, we already given answers for these sentences below. So check your sentence with these answers and get the and see that you get the correct answer. So we move to our next slide, slide number 4. So friends, coming to English lesson 3, slide 4. So friends, here now we are going to continue our session on uses of articles a or an further based on various rules said ahead. Rule 6. Rule 6, such plus a or an Rule 7, so plus adjective plus an plus noun. Rule number 8, exclamations. Rule number 9, numerical expressions. Rule number 10, expressions of price, speed, ratio, etc. Rule number 11, a or an plus Mr. oblique Mrs. or Miss plus surname. Rule number 12, a few or oblique a little. Rule number 13, a or an with some phrases. So we are going to study and understand above said rules one by one. So we start with rule number 6, such plus a or an. When such is used with a countable noun, article a or an is used after such. So मित्रों, जब ऐसे का उपयोग गणनीय संज्ञा के साथ किया जाता है तो इसके बाद लेख ए और एन का उपयोग किया जाता है. So for your understanding, examples are given below which will make you very clear about rule 6, such plus a or an. Example number 1, I have never seen such a beautiful picture. Here in bracket, not a such a full beautiful, not a such a beautiful, but such a beautiful picture. Such a thing has never happened before. It was such a fine show. So he gave us such a pleasant surprise. So friend, as per the rule 6, such plus a or an, here we will find that after such only article a or an being used in each and every sentences. So please, so friends, English lesson 3, slide number 5. Here we are going to study rule 7. Rule 7 is about so plus adjective plus a oblique an plus noun. हम यहाँ पे रूल 7 के बारे में जानेंगे. रूल 7, अतः प्लस विशेषण प्लस ए ऑब्लिक एन प्लस संज्ञा. इस आधार पर रूल 7 सीखना है, समझना है. When so comes before an adjective, article a or an is used between noun and adjective. So friends, when so comes before an adjective, article a or an is used between noun and adjective. जब किसी विशेषण के पहले so आता है तो संज्ञा और विशेषण के बीच में a और an का प्रयोग किया जाता है. So here are examples about this rule 7. So plus adjective plus a oblique an plus noun. Example number 1, I have never seen so beautiful a picture. Not a so beautiful picture, but so beautiful a picture. Example number 2, it was so fine a show. Example number 3, he gave us so pleasant a surprise. Example number 4, I have never read so interesting a novel. So here, as per rule 7, after so only between adjective and noun, ये article a or an being used in each and every example. So friends, study this rule and try to understand its applicability in English language. So we move to our next slide, slide number 6. So friends, English lesson 3, slide 6. Rule number 8, exclamations. Article a or an is used before singular countable noun in exclamatory sentences also. एक वचन गणनीय संज्ञा से पहले अनुच्छेद ए और ए या एन का उपयोग किया जाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन बिलो. उसके उदाहरण हमने नीचे दिए हैं जिसके आधार पर आप रूल 8 के बारे में अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. एग्जाम्पल्स. Example number 1, what a hot day. Example number 2, what a cruel act. Example number 3, what a pretty child. Example number 4, what a good chance. So friends, so read and study this Rule 8 exclamations, you'll be able to understand the applicability of article a or an in these sentences and examples. We will move to our next slide, slide number 7. Now friends, coming to slide number 7, English lesson 3. Here we are going to study rule 9. Rule 9 says about numerical expressions. Article a or an is used before some numerical expressions also. The more common of such expressions are a couple, a dozen, a score, a hundred, a thousand, a million, a lot of, a great many of, etc. So friends, here are numerical expressions where also a or an article are used. So examples are given below for your ready references. Example number 1, couple of people were there. Example number 2, he gave me a 1,000 rupee note. Example number 3, a great many visitors had turned up. Example number 4, a score of houses had been damaged. So friends, as we discussed above, the numerical expressions such as a couple of dozen, a score, a hundred, a thousand, a million, a lot of, a great many of. Based on these expressions, how a or an article are being used said in these examples. So read and study rule 9. You will be able to understand very clearly and very uh, easily about English grammar. So we stop here with this today's session with rule number 9, and we'll study further rules about article A and the in next session. So see you friends in our next session tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you all. Friends, here is a sincere request to you all. If you like it, press like button. If you like this educational channel, please subscribe it to receive everyday video. And also we request you to share these videos to your nearer and dearer one, family, friends, and your colleagues. We hope you are enjoying these videos with correct way of learning English language. Thank you all. Please like the hit button. Once again, request you to subscribe and share it with all. Thank you. Thank you all.